Hey guys, welcome to Marblehead, Ohio. I'm not sure what the name of the island is, but we made it. And we got the bar already down. So I'm going to turn the camera around. I can't see anything because of the sun glare. So let me turn it back this way. You get to look at my pretty face for another minute. And let's see, where do I turn this around? Okay, so it's all blue sky here. So I'm not sure what I'm pointing at. I can't see the screen, but like I said, we made it to Marblehead, and we just got. So here's our situation. And what I found out from the homeowner Rick is that this whole community, this whole development, is a quarry. They built this development in a quarry, and the waterway goes right out to Lake Erie. So there's our little makeshift. What do you want to call this? A custom slide. Yeah, we can leave it there. They can slide right off of this into the water.
Right.
And we got the bar down there. So we got here about 3:30. It's probably at least 4:30 now, but we're going to get this roof up and get pretty much everything put together. So we have a shorter day tomorrow, but we still got 4 hours of light. So we'll see what happens. All right, here comes Walt, my co-pilot. All right. So for the time being, Tiki Kev out.